Superstar Salman's tube light has been in news for all the right reasons ever since its inception. We have been sharing glimpses right from Ladakh's schedule to the current shoot location from Manali. And look who has landed on the sets in Manali. Yes, it's none other than Bhai's co-star and love interest in the movie, Chinese actress Zuzu. Doesn't she look like one stunner? One can clearly see the crazy fans who are watching her with all their eyes stuck onto her. She has definitely increased her fan base ever since she signed this movie. Bhai's fans are eagerly waiting to see both of them together on the big screens. Kabir Khan directorial tube light is based on a Sino-Indian war which took place in 1962. Another intriguing factor is Bhaijan, who's playing a special character which he has never done before. So until tube light hits the big screens, keep watching these on-location pictures. And if you like this picture, do let us know in the comments section below. Now this is something one should really watch out for. Bhai Salman Khan is all set to host the most controversial show Bigg Boss Season 10. One knows Bigg Boss host and Sabka Dost Salman Khan is busy shooting for Kabir Khan's tube light. And so, the makers of Bigg Boss promoted it on the dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja. And here's a glimpse. Isn't that a super way of promoting? Jhalak Dikhla Ja itself has a huge fan base and quite rightly Bigg Boss makers pounced on the very given chance. Bhai is busy balancing his work schedule and would be giving time to both, be it his film Tube Light or a show Bigg Boss. Well, anticipation is higher since it has a mix of celebs and commoners. One can imagine the madness which would unfold on the Idiot Box. So all the Bigg Boss fans get ready for a roller coaster ride. And do let us know your views about this show in the comment section below. Superstar Salman Khan is known to be one funny man, and we are sure this tweet will definitely leave you in splits. Movie starring Sonu Sood, Tu Tak Tutya has already hit the screens, and here's how Bhaijan wished him through his Twitter handle. छेदी सिंह, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि तू तक तूतिया सुपर हिट होगी, वरना हम इतने छेद कर देंगे कि Sonu Sood, wish you luck. Now, isn't that one funny tweet? Bhai has always encouraged films associated with his friends and has promoted it time and again in his own ways. How can one forget the fan base Bhai has, which in turn pushes the film at the box office to another level? Currently, Bhai is shooting in Manali for Kabir Khan's Tube Light, which has been in news ever since its inception. So all you Salu fans out there, are you planning to grab a ticket at the nearest theatre for Tu Tak Tutya? As we all know that Salman Khan was accused of poaching a chinkara at Bawad near Jodhpur and another chinkara at Goda Farms in 1998. And now the actor has filed a defamation case against a TV channel in the Bombay High Court and demanded damages of worth ₹100 crores. Now, isn't that shocking? Will Salman claim that a sting operation conducted by the channel in 1998, Chinkara poaching case, was malicious and defamatory? Moreover, he also wants the channel to be restrained from releasing or making public in any way any part of that sting operation. However, the channel claimed that in the sting operation, witnesses claimed they saw Khan shoot the endangered chinkaras in Jodhpur. But later, the witnesses turned hostile and claimed the video was doctored. Whoa, it seems like the matter might get worse in the future. So guys, what do you think about Salu's allegation against a TV channel? As we all know that Salman Khan's Bigg Boss 10 is soon to start in this month. And guess what? Bollywood diva Deepika Padukone is going to appear in the first episode of the show to promote her first Hollywood film Triple X, The Return of Alexander Cage. And it seems Deepika and Salman had lots of fun on the sets. Reportedly, the duo has shot the power-packed opening episode of the show. Interestingly, here too, Salman didn't miss any chance to tease Deepika. He teased her throughout the whole episode. Moreover, he also pulled her leg by saying Hollywood's queen and expressed his wish to work with her. After all, Salu fans have been eagerly waiting to see him along with Deepika on the silver screen. And must say, 50% of their wish is coming true, Henna? So aren't you guys excited for the first episode of Bigg Boss 10? Do let us know.
Hey fans! Here we bring something very exciting for you all. Well, we all know that Salman Khan is busy in shooting for Kabir Khan's Tube Light in Manali. Since then, his fans have been keeping their eyes on every bits and glimpse of the film. But do you know the first song of the film has been leaked? Yes guys, apparently an onlooker has shared behind the scenes footage of Sallu rehearsing for the song in the woods. Don't you think that Sallu is coming up with high dose of entertainment? After all, you can see the song looks like a party track in which Sallu is doing his unique signature steps, है ना? We can see Bhaijan is indeed looking cute in his sweater look, and while matching steps with the other dancers, oh my, bhai ka to jawab hi nahi. So guys, are you excited or not for this dance number of Tube Light? Well, a good day surely for Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Raees team. Why? Because the Indian Motion Picture Producers Association has lifted the ban imposed on Pakistani actors and allowed the release of Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Shah Rukh Khan's starrer Raees, both starring Pakistani actors. Wow, isn't that great? Well, they have allowed the release of these movies as Indian producers have invested their money in these projects. And if these films don't release, it will be a loss to Indian producers. Pakistani actors have worked, taken money and left. As a body, it's our duty to help our producers, IMPPA official said. So guys, finally the opinions of majority has brought back its colors. After all, we know how the country was divided on opinions about Pakistani actors working in India. But finally, after all these restrictions are lifted up, producers can take a sigh of relief. So people, don't forget to pour in your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Hello Sallu fans. Well, our Bhaijan is not only ruling the roost by his movies, acting skill and killer personality, but now another fact has come up and Bhaijan has proved his supremacy yet again. How? Well, Salman Khan has paid the highest advance tax numbers in this financial year. Wow, isn't that great? Dabangg Salman is leading the list of actors by paying an advance tax of Rs 16 crores. Yes guys, it surely is a very big number. Well, if you talk about the second positions, you will be surprised to know that both Akshay Kumar and Hrithik Roshan paid the same amount of advance tax. They both have paid Rs 11 crores. To add to this, let us tell you that last year Khiladi Kumar was leading with a sum of Rs 18 crores, but now Bhaijan has broken all the records. So guys, let us know what you think about this.
As we all know, the three Khans of Bollywood, Aamir, Salman and Shah Rukh, have always been famous for their stardom and super hit films. Thus, many of their duplicates copy their style and dialogues and become popular amongst the masses. And recently, their duplicates made a video in which one can see the duplicates of Aamir, Sallu and SRK are riding a cycle and showing off their friendship. Later, when Sallu Mian saw this video, he couldn't stop himself to promote these duplicates. Yes guys, recently Sallu promoted those duplicates on his Twitter handle. He wrote, "God bless Salman Aka Sagar Pandey, Raju Raikwar Aka SRK, Devasis Aka Aamir, बड़े होके झगड़ा मत करना और किया तो मेकअप कर लेना." Whoa! Now isn't that sweet of him? After all, Sallu has always been making pranks and has taken sportingly too. And this time too, he does the same thing. So now, after Sallu's reaction, aren't you guys waiting for Shah Rukh and Aamir's reaction? Do let us know in the comments section below. We've seen Salman Khan wearing a black suit in the Sagai song Sajan Ji Ghar Aaye from Karan Johar's first film Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. But do you know, Karan had to go down on his knees in front of Sallu and persuade him to wear that suit? Recently, in an interview, Kejo said that initially he thought Salman was pulling his legs for wanting to wear those torn jeans for the song. But that time, Karan requested him saying, "Please, it's my first film. I beg you. Don't do this to me, wear the black suit." He further added, "I don't think he's ever seen a grown-up man weep like buckets in front of him." And he was like, yeah, don't worry, मैं पहन लूंगा. तू रोना मत हाँ, मैं मार डालूंगा तुझे. तू रोना मत. Well, after this Kejo's revelation, what do you think about Sallu's funny side? We have seen Bollywood celebs which have been successfully running their own fashion label. And now, there's another star that is all set to be a part of the list. It's none other than hot and sexy Katrina Kaif. Yes, As per the report in a leading daily, Kat is all set to launch her own apparel brand and has been in discussion with several top brands for tie-ups. She has been toying with the idea from quite some time, and her goal is to create a label that reflects her own personality. Now, isn't that interesting? Well, Kat has also taken a trip to London with prime objective of attending the various business meetings to usher her new venture into motion. And if all goes well, then she would soon launch her own fashion label. Oh my, we can't wait for it. What about you guys? Salman Khan and his alleged girlfriend Ulia Vantoor has always been one of the most famous couples amongst the B-Town. They have been spotted together at many public events and family functions. We all know that how much Ulia loves Salman, as she always has been following Salu's every advice. Well, recently Ulia shared her exercise video on her Instagram handle and captioned it, and he said relax, easy workout for evenings. This clearly shows that this post, he means Salman, who advised her to be relaxed and calm. Now, isn't that an amazing advice from Salu? On the other hand, looks like Ulia is a little upset since Salu has recently been in news for his controversial comment over banning Pakistani actors in India. So guys, don't you think this advice also refers to Bhaijan? Oh my god, Salman Khan's Bigg Boss 10 will not be aired. Now, isn't that shocking? But wait, before you jump to a conclusion, the show will not be aired in Pakistan. Yes guys, after the controversy of banning Pakistani artists working in India, Pakistani distributors and government have taken a decision of not letting any release of Bollywood films. And now they have taken yet another shocking decision of not showing Indian TV shows in Pakistan. Reportedly, Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority has suspended the licenses of media outlets airing Indian content without issuing the prior notice. They have been strictly advised to follow the new policy to the Indian showmakers. Pemra said television channels and FM radio stations and cable operators are strictly asked to stop the airing of Indian content and follow the new policy. Therefore, it will directly ban Salman Khan's show Bigg Boss 10 in Pakistan. So guys, what do you think about this sudden action? There have been many speculations about Sonakshi Sinha's role in Salman Khan's upcoming film Dabangg 3. Rumors were doing rounds that Sonakshi will not be a part of Dabangg 3. But recently, Dabangg girl herself confirmed the news of being a part of the film. As per report in a leading daily, Sonakshi has confirmed that she's very much a part of Salman Khan's Dabangg 3, no matter how big or small the role she has to play in it. She said, if there's Raju in the story, it will be played by me. Irrespective of the length of the role, no one else will play Raju, even if it means me being a photo on the wall. Dabangg made me who I am today. I'm always there for that franchise. Well, it seems like the must then actress is all set to kill us once again with her deadly eyes and solid ada, hai na? So aren't you guys excited to see her in Dabangg 3? Do let us know. As we all know that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan will be seen as a seductress woman in Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Her dialogue, "Main kisi ki zarurat nahi khwahish banna chahti hu" from the song Bulaiya clearly shocked one and all with her bold and sexy dialogue delivery. But now, we heard that Asha demanded Karan to make her role bold and sexy in the film. Yes guys, a source revealed Aishwarya demanded that the script be made bolder. She felt that the character would be more relatable if they went all out, and it was only after this suggestion from Aishwarya the team worked on more steamy sequences in the film. Wow, sounds hot, isn't it? Well, the film will have an unusual love story in which a young boy falls in love with an older woman. So aren't you guys excited to see bold and beautiful Ash in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil? Box office king Salman Khan has always been known for his super entertaining films. His last films like Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Prem Ratan Dhin Payo and the most recent Sultan have broken many records at the box office. And after this, Bhai has again booked his favorite date on the calendar, Eid, for his upcoming film Tube Light, which is directed by Kabir Khan. Moreover, he's also booked Christmas 2017 for Ek Tha Tiger sequel Tiger Zinda Hai. But do you know, some reports are also stating that Bhai has booked Eid 2018 for Dabangg 3. Now, isn't that exciting? According to sources, Dabangg 3 will have a different theme and will be shot internationally. While it's still not confirmed if Arbaz Khan will direct the film, it's being speculated that the film will have high-octane action sequences which will be directed by internationally acclaimed action experts. So aren't you guys excited for Dabangg 3? Great news for Salman Khan fans. Reportedly, Salu is planning to launch his own private single-screen theatre chain called Salman Talkies. Now, isn't that great news for all you guys? Well, reports state that Being Human Star is chalking out a business plan for Salman Talkies, for which small screen theatres from all over Maharashtra have been selected. Most especially, closest sources to the actors also revealed he'll be lending his name to a theatre chain to promote tax-free viewing to the audiences. Moreover, these theatres will not charge more than 150 rupees per ticket from the audiences so that they can experience the lavish atmosphere in lesser rates. Wow! It seems that Bhai is all set to make his fans happy with his amazing plan, hai na? So aren't you guys excited to watch films in Salman Talkies? Do let us know. As we all know that Bhaijan Salman Khan is currently busy shooting for Kabir Khan's most ambitious project, Tube Light. Since then, he has been spotted with the local people and others. And now, he was spotted with Kinnauri nuns of Pangang Monastery. Apparently, Bhai was shooting for Tube Light at Pangang Monastery where he met Kinnauri nuns and clicked some pictures along with them. Well, the pictures have gone viral on the social networking sites in which one can see Bhai is looking pretty handsome in a sweater. Henna? Well, Kabir Khan's Tube Light is based on a Sino-Indian War, 1962, in which an Indian boy falls in love with a Chinese girl, which is played by Zuzu. Most especially, Salu will be seen in a special character for the very first time. Thus, the anticipation for the film is on a high. So aren't you guys excited for Tube Light? After banning Pakistan actors and artists in India, many B-Town celebs have given their opinion about this raging issue. And recently, Pakistani actress Mahira Khan reacts to this issue. Apparently, the actress shared a post of another Pakistani artist, Alize Zafar's thought about the relationship between the people of India and Pakistan. The post states, "It's strange this affinity with India. I find myself getting increasingly upset at the abuse and hatred tossed from one border to another, with little rationale apart from the 69-year-old chips on our shoulders. These chips have over time turned into boulders. And who doesn't crumble under the weight of those?" Whoa, it seems like the actress actually felt the same thing like many other artists felt, isn't it? Well, she'll be seen next in Shah Rukh Khan's Raees, which is also under the threat by political parties. So guys, what do you think about her reaction over this issue? After Mr. Raj Thackeray who lashed out at Salman, and now it's Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray who did the needful. Bhaijan Salman Khan is currently facing a lot of music for a statement supporting the Pakistani artists. Mr. Uddhav Thackeray said no one in his family has died for the country. Now, isn't this statement shocking? Wonder how would Bhai take the statement? This controversy is taking the worst turns ever and won't die any sooner. On the other hand, the fate of films Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Raees, starring Fawad Khan and Mahira Khan, is still left in lurk. In fact, both have left the country after they received threats from the MNS party. Hope things settle down soon. But do you think it's fair to lash out at Bhaijan for his statements? Do you agree with the Shiv Sena chief? Amidst all the chaos, here's something which will make you gleeful. Why? What happened? Well, this news will definitely skip too many heartbeats. To all those who are waiting to see Salman and Aishwarya Rai together on the silver screen, do have a ray of hope. Yes, the Ae Dil Hai Mushkil actress has indeed changed her mind and also her stance regarding working with Bhai. We came across this news on social media which said Aishwarya has expressed her willingness to collaborate with Salman on a film. Only the script and director are extraordinary. Now, isn't this one dhamakedar news? We're sure many are waiting to see both together since they share a zestful chemistry and it would be a treat for all. How can one forget the ex-lovers who once created their magic in the film Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam? Well, so people get ready for yet another magical treat, but hopefully very soon. What say? There have been reports speculating that all is not well between Salman Khan and his girlfriend Ulia Bantur. Thus, many people have been feeling restless to know the reason behind it. Well, there are also rumors that Ulia has decided not to return to India just because of Salman Khan. But after these many speculations and rumors, the Romanian beauty has given a full stop to her breakup news by her latest Instagram post. She has shared a picture on which she captioned, "Stay true." Most especially, a picture had a written message that we give too many people the power to lower our vibrations. Stand true to your own frequency. Whoa, isn't that surprising? Later, she has shared another picture on which she captioned, "La Vita e Bella," in the Romanian language, which means life is beautiful. Now, this seems like their love is still alive for each other. So, guys, are you not happy after seeing Ulia's immense love for Sallu? Do let us know in the comments section below.